Hello, rail fans. Here's our first catch of the day at Oakdale, Tennessee. My father says he remembers catching the train here when he lived in Harriman. Said it was a steam engine, and when the train went through the tunnels just north of here, the cars would fill up with smoke. To the right, you can see a bend in the Emory River, and to the left, the access road for a small park, there where the car is coming out. Oakdale was originally called Honeycutt, named for Allen Honeycutt, who donated land to the railroad for a switch. It was renamed Oakdale in 1892. Here comes Norfolk Southern 1145 and 9773 with an assortment of coil cars, hoppers, tankers, and auto racks. Thanks for watching. Please give it a like and subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified of future videos, make sure you have bell notifications enabled. Once again, thanks for watching.